Om Namah Shivaya. Sit in any comfortable position, either in Vajrasana or Sukhasana. Adopt Chin Mudra on your thighs. Join the tip of the thumb, forefinger. Feel the tip of the finger and the nerve impulse. We begin the practice of 10 minutes yoga techniques. Different practices which includes Sukshma Vyayama, Yogasanas, Pranayama and meditation. Lastly, affirmations are doing the Sankalpas. We begin the practice with the prayer. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Chant 3 times Omkara. Take a deep breath. ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. Very slowly take back the arms, touch the shoulders, raise the head up. Very slowly and gently exhale, bend the trunk, offer the salutations. Inhale slowly and gently, come up. Slowly and gently come to Tadasana. Join the heels. Now we will begin the practice of Sukshma Vyayamas with the neck movements. Apart the legs half feet distance, ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಧ ಅಡಿಯಷ್ಟು ಅಗಲ ಮಾಡಿ. Now bend the neck forward with exhalation. Inhale slowly and gently raise your head up. Exhale slowly and gently bend the neck forward. Inhale slowly and gently raise your head up. Exhale slowly and gently bend the neck forward. Inhale slowly and gently raise your head, bend the neck back. Exhale slowly, bend the neck forward. Inhale slowly and gently raise your head up, bend the neck back. Exhale slowly and gently bend the neck forward. Inhale slowly and gently come to center. Bend the neck right, ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಗಿಸಿ. Inhale slowly and gently come to center. Exhale slowly, bend the neck left. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, bend the neck right. Inhale, come to center. Exhale slowly, bend the neck left. Inhale, come to center. Bend the neck right so that the right ear touches the right shoulder. Inhale, come to center. Exhale slowly, bend the neck left. Inhale, come to center. Now very slowly turn the neck right. Turn the neck so that the chin is aligned with the shoulder. Inhale, come to center. Exhale slowly, turn the neck left. Inhale slowly, come to center. Exhale slowly, turn the neck right. Inhale, come to center. Exhale slowly, turn the neck left. Left turn. Slowly come to center. Turn the neck right. Come to center. Turn the neck left. Come to center. Slowly bend the neck forward. Neck rotation. Rotate the neck slowly and gently in the circular motion. Very slowly and gently. With inhalation come up, exhalation bend the neck. slow rotation, Sukshma Vyayama. Feel the circular motion. Bend your neck, touch the collarbone. Go back, bend the neck back as much as possible. Slowly and gently come to center. Very slowly and gently loosening the neck muscles. Rotate in the reverse direction. Very slowly and gently loosening the neck muscles. Practice very slowly and gently. 5 rounds each, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Slowly come to center, stop the practice. Now we'll go for the shoulder movements. Keep your fingers on the shoulders. Join the elbows. Very slowly and gently rotate. Feel the rotation, very slow rotation. Feel the circular motion. Let the movement be very slow and gentle, loosening the shoulders very slowly and gently. Reverse. Very slowly and gently. Stop the practice. Tadasana stretch, Yogasanas. Join the heels. Very slowly and gently now. Raise your arms up. Arms facing forward. Stretch. Be there, relaxed. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop the practice. Drop the arms. ತೋಳುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗಿಳಿಸಿ. ಅರ್ಧ ಚಕ್ರಾಸನ. Join the heels. Slide the palms up. Take the support. Bend your trunk back. Very slowly and gently. Stay in the position 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. Don't open the eyes suddenly. Very slowly and gently exhale. Bend forward. Come to Pada Hastasana. Slide the palms down. Push the head inside. Hold the ankles. Be there. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale slowly and gently come up. Exhale slowly come to Shashankasana. Very slowly and gently come to Vajrasana. From Vajrasana slowly raise your arms up. Exhale slowly, bend the trunk forward. Rest your elbows, palms, fingers. Rest your elbows and relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale slowly come up. Exhale slowly and gently. Drop the arms. Stretch your legs. Lie on the back. Very slowly and gently fold the knees. Pavanamuktasana. Hold by the hands. Gently come up. Stay in the position. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly go back. Release the legs. Stretch your legs. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently come up. Turn right side. Slowly and gently come to Sukhasana.